Today again, I am sharing with you a simple, beginner-friendly bullet journal setup for June. This one is in my friend's bullet journal, and I will show you the whole process of setting up your month in your bullet journal from beginning to the end. As we always do, we will start with the materials. I will use this notebook therapy bullet journal, markers in different colors, one Uni-Pin Pointliner, printed flags, an eraser, and a ruler as well. I will use this 0.3 Uni-Pin Pointliner to outline this turtle here. Then draw a calendar and 6 daily logs on the right. This bullet journal belongs to my friend, and she wanted to have the whole year in one bullet journal. And this is why we have these small calendars. I also wanted to share these videos with you because I choose decorations that are really simple to recreate. For this month, I choose turtles. And as you can see, they are really easy to recreate. If you want to learn how to draw turtles, just leave me a comment down below and I will gladly share that with you. So far, I created everything that I wanted to create with the point liner, and now it's time to add some color. I will start with these flags for Formula 1 because she adores Formula 1, and I printed these flags on a sticky paper. Now I will write the dates when these Formula 1 races occur, and after that I will mark those weekends in calendar as well. I will also mark each day in daily logs when Formula 1 is taking place. After that, I will color this turtle completely, as you can see now. I choose just 4 markers for this, and those markers have dual tips, so I am using the brush tip for coloring. After, I will write the dates and days, and the first spread is done. For the second spread, I decided to include 8 days. I will start with Sunday because on the previous page I didn't have enough space for 7 daily logs. So I will start with Sunday and finish with Sunday as well. And 8 places here are for daily logs, and I added a small turtle decoration on the second Sunday. After that, I will use the same design as I did on the previous spread. With red, I mark the days when Formula 1 is taking place, and with green, I added the other days. I am now just coloring this small turtle, and the second weekly spread is done as well. For the third weekly spread, I decided to include 7 daily logs, and 1 space will be used for decoration. Here I have a turtle that is reading a book because my friend really loves reading books as well, so I decided to include this turtle here. I really like having an animal in your bullet journal because then you can include different activities for each weekly spread that animal is doing. As you can see, in the first one I had a turtle that is surfing, in the second one I had a turtle with a hat, and this one I have a turtle that is reading a book. There is no Formula 1 during this week, so all of those days have green banners. After that, we have the last weekly spread. In this last weekly spread, I decided to include 3 spaces for decoration. In the first one, we have a turtle reading a book while lying down. Then we have a turtle moving around. And in the last one, we have a turtle standing beside all of these daily logs. I created 9 spaces in total with daily logs and 3 spaces for decoration. I will outline all of my sketches. You can outline your sketches with the same markers that you will use to color them in, and that will look more natural. But if you want a more cartoonish look, then using black outlines for your decorations is the best way to achieve that style. You should also use simple lines and simple shapes. After I outlined everything, as you can see, I already started coloring these turtles and everything is done, so let's look back. We have a calendar and the first weekly spread. Then we have the second weekly spread, which also includes 2 Sundays because we didn't manage to fit one in the first weekly spread. Then we have 7 daily logs for the third one and 9 spaces for the last one. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave me a comment telling me which one is your favorite. And don't forget to like, subscribe and press the notification bell so you never miss any of my future videos. And I will see you in the next one when we design my June monthly setup together. Bye!